Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up Firefox browser on Realme V60 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now you can click open. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. And now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. And here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn on notifications from this app, or you can click not now again. And here you can add the extensions into your browser, or you can just click start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.